Top 5 Campfire songs you can learn in one sitting. I've got you. And by the way, if you like this, I've got a PDF guide underneath in this video, and I have an individual lesson for each of these. So if you like them, they will be clickable in the links below. Let's dive in. Campfire song number 1 that's super easy is actually a tricky one. This is I'm Yours by Jason Mraz. All you need, by the way, for this video is a capo, a guitar in standard tuning, and maybe a pick, and a knowledge of basic open chords. You don't need any bar chords. There's no bar chords in this, so you're welcome. Here we go. Capo the 5th fret, and here is I'm Yours. In there once in a while. So what you've got is you've got a G major, you got a D major, you got an E minor, and you got a C. That's the whole freaking song, okay? And once in a while an A7 sneaks in there. When you hear that chord, you'll know it. That's technically not the chord he's playing, but it sounds great. I've been teaching it and playing it that way for years. You're welcome. It's gonna sound good for you too when you're playing with your friends at a campfire. The rhythm overall is down, down, up, down, up. So very classic down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up per chord, with the exception of the A7. Okay, that's Jason Mraz, I'm Yours, song number 1. Toss that capo for the next song. We're gonna strip it down and play a little something southern. Sweet Home Alabama by Lynyrd Skynyrd is D, C, G, and G. It's pretty much the whole song, you guys. That's going to be on the rhythm side, down, 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 up. I'm emphasizing that third down strum, down, 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 up to C, to G, down, 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 down. Again, I got a full lesson on that linked below. Diving into the next song, here we go. Hotel California. This is one of my top videos right now, so let's go ahead and give you the teaser version. It's capo 2, handful of chords. Here it is. Here's the verse. Okay, so that's simply down, down, up, down, up, twice per chord. You got the A minor, you got an E, G, D, F, C, D minor, and E. Okay, that's your verse. Okay, the chorus is going to be the same rhythm, and it's a batch of 8 chords, but here are those chords. F, C, E, A minor, F, C, D minor, E. And by the way, just for bonus points, if you want to make an E7 instead of an E on that, you're welcome to do so. Have a good time. That's Hotel California. Again, full lesson linked below. Toss that capo for the next song. Knock on Heaven's Door. Let's do it. Probably one of the easiest songs, and by the way, cool pro tip, here's an Easter egg. You can really sing and play this one faster than most songs that I've taught. That's one of my go-tos. So it's just G, it's D, it's A minor, then G, D, C, C. The overall rhythm I'm doing is kind of stripped down and simple. It's just down, 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 up, okay? Similar to the Sweet Home Alabama thing. So here it is one more time. Down, 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 A minor. Right? Starts back over with G, D, instead of A minor, it's C twice. That's the entire song. Have some fun. That's Knock on Heaven's Door. The last song, here we go. I saved one of my favorites for last. It's Brown Eyed Girl, so again, no capo. Drop it. here it is. It's basically broken into two parts. You've got this kind of intro verse and where the sha-la-las parts are. Here it is. G, C, G, D. It's the majority of the song. And yes, the rhythm, if you caught it, is down, down, up, down, up. Cool? Now, that's gonna go ahead and be most of the song. Let's dive into the chorus of the song where there's a little bit of a change. It's an 8-chord progression, so hang on. You ready? C, D, G, E minor, C, D, G, D. And that's it. And by the way, there's a little fun thing on this. Sometimes you want to extend that D a couple more times depending on where you're at in the song. He does build that up a little bit at certain points, so listen for that. But other than that, that's it, you guys. That's 5 Campfire songs that's gonna blow everyone's mind, get everyone singing along, and you're welcome. If you guys want extra, I've got a PDF guide with all of the basics on it, of the quick brass tacks version, the rhythm, the chords. I'm actually looking at it right now, and everything's hyperlinked, so if it's not enough, you can click the title and it's gonna give you the full video that I've already done before. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I got nothing to sell you on this one. Just enjoy, have fun. Leave some comments below. Let me know what you liked about this video, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.